and branch and batch and section, semester, and a question set we got for the exam and name of the exams. So first we have to fill the home matrix or CO which for the particular course which CO it comes under, and Bloom's level for the particular course. So in part A we have 5 questions, 1 to 5, and for part B we have 3 questions, 6, 7 and 8. It is of either or choice. So for first question, part A, first question is CO1, and second and third questions also comes under CO1. So this have to be choose. And for remaining courses, remaining question, CO2 and CO2. And here we have a Bloom's level. Here for the particular course we have to choose which Bloom's level it comes under. So that we have to choose for the respective questions. In the same way for part B, we have to choose 6. In few cases we may have option 1 and option 2, or in some cases we have only one option. So if you have 2 options, we have to fill A1 and A2 courses. For B section I have only one option, so I choose this one, CO1 itself. So we have to choose which CO comes under and maximum for this particular question and Bloom's level also. And here we have fixed criteria or target for based upon the Bloom's level. For understanding and remembrance, we fixed 65% target to be achieved for the students, and for applying we have to we are fixing 60%, and remaining analysis and then create and evaluate Bloom's level we have fixed 50%. So that is what expected mark for this particular question. So for this maximum for this question, maximum mark is 30. So this is apply level. It is consists of 60%. So we got 7.8 as a target value. The students are supposed to get 7.8 and above for the calculations. So in the same fashion, we have to finish 6th, 7th and 8th questions we have to choose, and here we have a contribution will be calculated for all the COs. So for this particular IA1 we have CO1 and CO2. For part B we have 3 questions, and part B we have 5 questions. In same way for part A for CO2 2 questions, and part B for 2 questions. So total number of questions and contribution is calculated based on the percentage for the COs. And here it is Bloom's level. Bloom's level is also calculated. For remembering 2.2% is contributed by the question, and for understanding remembrance for understanding 4.4, and for apply level 60 and analysis level 33 point. So this is what the contribution of question in Bloom's level for the IA1. And here we have to fill the CO statements for the particular course, and we have to fill the mapping for the particular course in the matrix 1. So here we have for matrix 1 and for IA1 and IA2's answers or the mark will be filled in this particular sheet. In the same way for IA2, IA3 will be carried out. I will tell you the IA1 now. IA1. So this is what the contribution is. The first line is question mark 1, 2, 3 and all, and 2 was 2, 9, 4, 13 and all. This is the maximum mark given for the particular question, and CO1, CO2 is mapped with the particular question maps to which question. So for individual students we have to fill the marks, and total will be at the last. At the in the down line. So here number of students attended this question is 63, and above expected score is 51 students are scoring the above expected percentage, and the percentage of it is 95.1. So the target we have fixed is 60% is level 1 and 70% is level 2, and the 80% and above is comes under level 3. This is what the criteria we have fixed. So this is what attainment for this particular question. So in the same fashion, remaining questions attainment is also for calculated, and CO1 and CO2 overall average questions will be calculated and displayed at the last. So in the same way, IA2, IA3, and as now we are explained with assignment. So for assignment, we have 2 co-curricular components. So one assignment, another one is another assessment method. We can give anything. For this particular course, they have given assignment CO1 and CO2 for assignment, and another co-curricular is for all the COs covers. So the co-curricular marks for the particular students are entered into the sheet. At the last, the same way, we have to calculate attended students and expected level and maximum attendance percentage and attainment of the each COs are calculated. And here we have Horizon survey. So here we have 5 contributions. One is excellent, very good, good, unsatisfactory and unsatisfactory. This is collected from the students by using the Horizon survey form. So at the last, number of students attended and how many students gave excellent, very good, good, satisfactory, unsatisfactory. Here we fixing target as in good. So above good we have 67 students out of 68. So percentage is this and attainment level is also calculated in the same way of fashion. So next sheet is end semester sheet. In the same way we have a pattern, part A and part B. So part A we have 10 2-mark questions. For first 2 questions comes under CO1 and second 2 questions comes under first question comes under CO1 and second question is CO2 and third 2 questions is CO3 in the same fashion. So 11th to 15th questions we have COs and we are in the same way we have to select Bloom's level and our expected marks are calculated. And next end semester marks to be filled. This comes from COE. So from first student to final students, all the marks for the respective questions are entered. Same way attended students and how many students are got above the target level and percentage of score and attainment level are calculated for individual COs. At the end, this is the sheet to be printed and take it for documentations. From CO1, this particular sheet, CO1 mark is given or mapped to CO1 and CO2. For IE2, the contribution, IE3 contribution, assignment and other assessment are mentioned from the particular sheet. So cumulative internal examinations are done for this particular sheet and end semester and overall CO attainment for the particular course is 40% of internal